Welcome back to my channel. Today I think we're making the butterfly pea flower tea, which is a really long and confusing name that I keep butchering. But this should be it, according to the codes on the wrapper. Oh my gosh, sis, look at this. How pretty.
Yeah, I'm not gonna let you have it. It's mine.
Little ears.
It's mine.
Has a pearlescent finish. It's textured. That's really cute.
That's gonna be mine, not yours.
I know, Raylan's claiming it already. This is cute. Butterfly pea. And this is new too. Ooh, are you kidding me?
What?
It's in a silicone container. So if there's the...
Those.
No, that's a good thing. Let me...
Well, those were the things that take a long time to open. I thought you meant like the ones that I was struggling with, like
no.
This bunny one.
This, if they're actually in like little cubed out sections, we should be able to reuse it and make our own ice. Ooh.
I want to make rainbow ice.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like we might be able to.
I want to make rainbow and sunset ice.
That's exciting. So we have pink tinted ice, which is new.
Rainbow, multicolored.
Rainbow ice would be very cool.
And I want to make sunset colored, yellow, orange, and pink.
I mean, we definitely have enough resin to do those things. So they gave us a pink straw,
Yay.
pink ice, really cool container, and this should be purple.
How much pink do we need?
For what?
For this.
All of it.
Are we turning into Barbie?
So here it is on the checklist. We've made almost all of these. The only one I don't have is the falafels, I believe. I've done the rest of them. So instructions are simple. Add the resin, ice, put the lid and the straw in, and that is it. I might add the ice first. Probably doesn't matter. If it's anything like the Boba one, that was excellent. The resin for that. It came out very nicely. It sank all the way to the bottom, got in all the crevices. I'm gonna use all of this, I think. And I am gonna experiment with making my own ice, though. This is silicone. It's more firm than I was thinking it would be. But let's grab these out and finish filling it up. Okay, that was a little struggle to get all those out. So now I'm definitely second guessing if you could actually make ice cubes out of that or not. So if you've tried it, if you've found this one, let me know. So I'm curious of that. Let's cut the straw open. And let's start adding the resin. I'm going to add a little bit and see if it sinks well like the Boba did. If it doesn't, then I'll stir it around with the straw. But that is gorgeous. Love the color. Honestly, I guess it really doesn't even matter because you're not going to be able to tell, I don't believe. Yeah, not really. You could definitely see both the pink and the purple through there. That's super cute. Love it. I will let it set for just a second. Looks like there's a few bubbles that came up, so I'm gonna use a straw to pop. I'm also gonna kind of work my way down there. There we go. Popped a huge one. But I have a space in the middle for the straw. Yeah, it looks like there are bubbles in there. So it's probably a good idea I didn't fill it up too high. That way I can mix the ice around and we won't see any of those big gaps through the cup. I feel like I can add more in now. Let's see, did they fill theirs up all the way? Looks like it.
Purple. It looks multicolored.
It is a little multicolored.
Is that a cat or a bear?
I don't know. I was wondering that too.
Actually,
I guess
it's a cat. It's a cat.
Is it a cat? Probably go either way.
By the diagrams of the ears, they're pointed, so it's a cat.
Okay.
Bears cannot have pointed ears.
All right, there's just a few in there. I'm going to pop with my toothpick. I might wait a few minutes to see if any more come up to the surface, because sometimes that happens. But I can't wait to show you this from the side. You can definitely still see the pink tinted cubes, which is really awesome. It's not so buried or muted by the purple. And I filled it up just about all the way. I don't know if I should fill it up to the very top. It looks kind of like they did. So maybe I'll just put one more squeeze in there. And yeah, it looks like, oop, there's some tiny bubbles coming up. So if that's in the middle, we'll fill it up as close as we can. That's got to be pretty close. Okay, there are some itty bitty bubbles, but I'm not concerned with them. I don't think that you're gonna be able to see them through the glass, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on.
Well, maybe you should have tried.
I did. I looked at it from all angles. We want to put that on before we cure it. That way it holds the straw nice and straight. But you can take it off midway once it's kind of hardened if you want to cure it really good or think that that's getting in the way somehow. So under the lamp it will go. This did take a long time to cure, and there is a bubble that snuck up in there. There actually might be two. It might have split off unless there is just one. But it was moving when I would turn it like this. But now I think I finally got it. Probably took over 10 minutes. And it's probably because of the pearlescent finish, maybe reflecting that light or something. I'm not quite sure. Some did get on the rim here, so this is fused together. I wasn't able to take the lid off to cure it downward like that, but that's fine. I wanted it on there anyways. Less chance of losing it. So let's hold it like this. You can see the pink cubes in there. This is another awesome one. At first I wasn't too excited because I'm like, oh, it's a drink. We've done tons of drinks, but love the container, love the colored ice cube. I love that you can see the ice cube still through there. So yeah, I give this one like a 9 out of 10. It's adorable. I only have one more for the series. I'll probably be able to find it, but I don't know when. But yes, subscribe and stay tuned if you want to see me make more of these. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.